Let's complete the explanation of the fun they had. In last module, we were informed where Margie's school was. It was right next to her bedroom. And her classes were held at the same time every day. Every day except Saturday and Sunday. That means her school was there for 5 days a week. And there were no classes on Saturdays and Sundays. And why was it so? It was because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. That means if we do something regularly at a particular time, then there are more chances that we will become successful. And this is what Mrs. Jones, Margie's mother, used to think. The screen was lit up and we can see this figure here. There are just gadgets in the picture. This is Margie's classroom, which is next to her bedroom, which is just adjacent to her bedroom. She is sitting all alone without any other classmate and no man teacher is there. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. That means it was on and chapters were being flashed. The screen was lit up. Light, lit, lit. This is third form used here. And it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. So the futuristic teacher, that means the teacher who would teach in the schools of future, must have spoken in robotic style. So her maths class was on and she was asked to submit her homework, as you are also asked to show your homework. But was Margie interested in this? Was she taking interest in the class? Let's read further and find it out. Margie did so with a sigh. Now, what is a sigh? Sigh is a deep, heavy breath that can be an expression of relief or unwillingness. That means when we are not willing to do something but we have to do. That may even may express our tiredness, that we are wearisome. And what does the word so refer to? It refers to inserting her homework in the proper slot as she was asked by the mechanical teacher. She was thinking about the old schools. And she got to know about the old schools from the book which Tommy had found in the attic of his house. And now, what does the word they refer to? It refers to the people of that generation when these old schools existed. When her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy, that means centuries ago. You remember how Tommy pronounced these words loftily, centuries ago. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard. That means they had fun. They enjoyed coming to school and learning together, sitting together in the classroom, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, in the ground of the school, going home together at the end of the day. That means there were n number of activities which they used to perform together. And of course, if we do something together, that makes it easy and we do enjoy that work. They learned the same things, so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. Why did Margie think so much about the old schools? The reason is all the fun which the students and the teachers used to have in the old schools was missing here in her school, which was just next to her bedroom. And we have already seen her classroom. There are no classmates, no fun, just gadgets are there with which you cannot even talk. Gadgets cannot understand human feelings, and this is what happening here with Margie. And the teachers were people. That means they were human beings who could understand students' feelings, their problems, could discuss. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. When we add fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Now try to understand, and here we have been given ellipses. These 3 dots have been given here. That means what? Margie was not paying attention at all and her mechanical teacher could not understand and just showing the lessons. Margie was completely lost in her thoughts. She had been thinking about the old schools, but regardless of this fact, as A machine cannot understand all these things. The machine, the mechanical teacher, was just giving her lessons in mathematics. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. Why? Because they had a man teacher. They could be together all the time in school. She was thinking about the fun they had. Don't you think she was thinking about the fun that we people are lucky enough to have? So, thank you for watching. Bye bye.